Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute origami butterfly. In my case I used my butterfly with the peg, and I glue the butterfly to the peg, and this is can be an ornament, or you can use it to close something, or as a bookmark, and in many other way. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute butterfly. You will need a piece of paper, a square piece of paper. Mine is 5 centimeter per 5 centimeter, and it will be, the result will be this one, but you can use 7 per 7, 8 per 8, it depends. I use another piece of paper. This is an origami paper, and this is my big butterfly. Okay, so let's get started with this one. You will need to fold enough in this way, and then fold enough in this other direction, and then you will need to trace and fold in this way, and then in this way. Okay, better to crease a little this. Now you will need to fold inside in this way, and the same this part. You will have this sort of triangle. Voila, and then fold enough again. Now we will need to cut a little in order to create our wings. Okay, better to do a little in this way, but you can refine the wings later. Okay, now we will need to, okay, but voila, we will need to fold here inside, and this part inside. Okay, then turn your piece of paper and then fold in this way, and your butterfly is ready. Here, your super cute butterfly. And then we can, with something rounded, this is a brush, you can round around this part, and then voila, here your super cute butterfly. Voila. Now we will need to put our butterfly and glue to our peg, and we can glue 2 of them in this way, or the bigger one in this way. I think they are quite nice and so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.